Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a $6,600 per month affiliate marketing business for free, step by step. Stay tuned. Alright guys, for those of you new to the channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa Romero, and on this channel what we talk about is making money online, starting a side hustle if you're looking to make a little extra cash, which could eventually lead into a full-time income where you can have the freedom lifestyle to do what you want, spend the time with those you love more, and of course travel the entire world and be a digital nomad like I am. So if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to get videos like this because I post consistently. And this topic that I'm going to go over today, where I'm going to teach you how to build a $6,600 per month affiliate marketing business. And I chose that number because if you see right here, whatever site I put it on, the numbers I was able to do last year, that's just one of the months that I was able, the income I was able to produce one of the months. And so that's why I just kind of picked that random number of income that I was able to produce last year. So this was a PayPal snapshot of last year. And so I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about how to do it and how to, this video is going to be more so tapping into your passions and getting creative with your affiliate marketing business and just showing you it's not all about just picking a product on ClickBank or JVZoo or whatever and promoting it and trying to make, become a millionaire with promoting ClickBank products. Sure, that's cool, but this video you're gonna think like, oh man, I hope it, it's gonna turn on a couple light bulbs for you because I have a simple process that I'm gonna break down for you, and it actually is going to project into the future of how I plan to build my $1 million affiliate marketing business. So you guys will be able to see what I plan to do and the steps that you can take to implement on your own. Okay, so I do have a free video training series if you guys are interested in that. It goes more in depth about affiliate and internet marketing. So you guys can grab that. That should be the second link in the description. You guys can check that out. So let's go ahead and get started about today's topic. Okay, so these are the steps I'm going to be talking about today. I outlined them, and I gotta say this video is going to spark your creativity a little bit. And so I'm not gonna sit here and give you a tutorial on, how to make millions with ClickBank and picking profitable products. I have tons of videos on that. I'll leave my entire ClickBank playlist in the description if you guys are interested in more learning about ClickBank and that type of thing. Okay, but in this video, we're going to talk about the exact steps on how to build a $6,600 per month affiliate marketing business. The first step is to pick a skill or an expertise that you're good at, and most importantly, that you're passionate about. So it could be anything: finance, accounting, credit repair, website design, photography, teaching people how to make money online like I do, life coaching, fitness coaching, photography, technology, you name it. If you have a skill, you can build a business around it. We call that passion to profits, okay? So obviously, of course, the next step would be to build a YouTube channel around that passion, around that skill set that you have, and figure out what people are looking for. So the way that I kind of teach this is this would have to be, when you start to build a channel, you start to have to do, keyword research to ensure that people are looking for what you have to offer, the products you're marketing and the services you have to offer. Ensure people are looking for this. All right. Okay. Then, of course, this is number one. I have a whole video that talks about branding and becoming, because a lot of you may not be thinking this way right now, but you want to become an influencer in any one of these niches that you choose. That should be your number one goal, to have influence and be an expert and be the person that people come to learn about this type of whatever marketplace you're teaching or you're dipping into. So become an influencer in your niche. This should be your goal. To want to be known by millions. That's my goal, is to want to be known by millions in the affiliate marketing and make money online niche. That is my number one goal. There's a lot of males out there, and I want to be pretty much a well-known female entrepreneur super affiliate. That's what I want to do. Okay, so then obviously you go to the next step would be content creation for your YouTube channel. So that's creating videos, that's creating review videos, how-tos, what else? Case studies. There's all kinds of different content you can create out there, step by steps. It could be motivation, whatever it is. So let's look at an example with we're going to look at a credit repair example YouTube channel, and also technology. So I found this guy the other week, I guess, and he goes by the name of Keeping It Real with Credit. So his expertise is credit repair and helping people leverage credit to invest or buy the things that they need. So he teaches people how to get good credit. He teaches people all kinds of stuff about debt relief, about buying houses. You could just see from the titles of his video titles right here. Okay, so is credit repair for me 100% financed? Blah 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 blah. So if you look at one of his videos and you check out his description, you'll see that he has some resources in his description. So I watched a couple of his videos, and what I learned about him was that, let me just turn this down. What I learned was that he used to be a part of a company. He actually used to work with this company, and he quit. And I'm assuming because he's making way more money on his own, one, from being a partner with YouTube on the YouTube partnership program. So he's getting residual income from YouTube. And how many subs does he have? 124. My guess is he's getting between $8,000 to $10,000 US American dollars per month just from having this YouTube channel. All right. So that's a pretty nice chunk of change. So, and then I guarantee what he's doing, and this is a creative way to be an affiliate, because there's not, like I said, you have to think outside the box. You can be an affiliate for companies. So for all the referrals that sign up with Buildware Strategies LLC and they come from this link, he gets a commission. All right. And so also he's building up his social medias so people can connect with him on other channels. He's linking to other good videos on his YouTube channel. But also what he could do, and this is even where ClickBank comes back into play. He can come to ClickBank if he wanted to, because there's pretty much a product for every niche on ClickBank. Let's go to, where is it? Business and investing, maybe? I forget. But if you type in credit repair, look at all these different credit repair products on ClickBank. I guarantee you if he picked a product on ClickBank that he wanted to promote and just stuck a ClickBank link into his description, he would be making another form of residual income in addition to what he's already making. So if he just put in the link here, like, my number one suggested program to fix, if you're looking to get started with fixing your credit, and put the ClickBank link in here somewhere, that is also adding to his income streams on top of the affiliate program, or not affiliate partnership he has with this company. And so that is how you can start to get creative with your affiliate products. Okay, let's go on to another example. I love showing Think Media's channel because this guy is huge. I mean, just from his subscriber base alone, he's probably making at least $50,000 a month through the YouTube partnership program. That would be my guess, just in studying other channels and how much they make. So of course he gives technology reviews on everything: drones, camera lenses, cameras, gorilla pods, lighting tools, everything you could think of. So if you just click on any one of his videos, he has really high quality content. He's been doing this a while, but he just gives reviews on cameras. And you know, if you go in his his account or his description, he has a wealth of affiliate links. So he is an Amazon affiliate for all these different types of cameras. So also he links to his other social medias, but all these are affiliate links to gorilla pods, to cameras, to you name it. So not only is he monetizing YouTube, he's monetizing his affiliate links. So he's making residual income from all the affiliate products he sells from Amazon. And I'm sure if I dig more into his links that he also has partnerships with other companies and people pay him to promote products on his channel. So it goes beyond just the simple affiliate marketing and going to ClickBank and grabbing a link and driving traffic to it. So, and the reason why I say in the beginning of my checklist is to pick a skill or a passion that you're knowledgeable at, is because this is going to be a business that you're going to build for life, and you're going to want to be passionate about it because you're going to have to produce a lot of content in and around these subjects. That is why it's important to be really excited about what you're doing. So down here, I talk about picking affiliate products. Be creative. So you can pick physical from Amazon.com. Just it's free to set up a partnership and become an affiliate with them. Digital, of course, ClickBank, JVZoo. There's also CJ.com. Your own. This is something else I wanted to touch on, is you can monetize YouTube by building your own courses, of course, building your own courses and selling them on YouTube. All right. And you can come up with your own mentorship programs. So people are going to want to hire you and reach out to you because they, just by watching a couple of your YouTube videos, they're going to see you as the expert. So your own mentorship, partnerships with companies, i.e. like that guy was doing, referrals. Oops, I don't know how to spell when I'm under the gun on YouTube shooting a video. So that should excite you guys, because you have all these options to build a $6,600 per month business and beyond, because this is just selling stuff. And once you tap in to the YouTube partnership program, let me write this down. Once you hit 100 subs, 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be able to apply for the YouTube partnership program. Yay! And that's how another way to monetize YouTube on top of all the other ways you're monetizing YouTube. So if you guys are interested, I do have a course that goes way more in depth on this whole topic that I just taught. It's called the Affiliate Freedom Academy, where you build an affiliate marketing business that actually makes you money. And I go step by step and showing you guys everything that I taught you. This link will be in the description of my of this video. Right now it is on sale for $200. It's you would get all these things. You guys can check this out later on your own. But that is what this course includes. So if you guys are interested in that, it's $200 for a very limited time, because the first round of students that enter will get access to the Facebook group and all that good stuff. But you can go ahead and check that out if you were interested. So I hope you guys got some good value from this video. Go ahead and leave me a comment below, hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so that I can see you tomorrow on the next video. Take care, everyone.